Well, even working at Natwest Bacmnk, I still managed to get fired. I'm not even good as a banker anyways. So, this is the 86th time I have been fired. 3 more, then I'm at 90. Where should I work at next? I've just had a really great idea. I'm going to work at Cracker Barrel. Welcome to Cracker Barrel. How may I help you? I would like to get a double cheeseburger, medium fries, and a large Coke. I'm sorry, but the double cheeseburgers are currently sold out at the moment. No, they are not. I can see some double cheeseburgers being made in the kitchen just there. Get out of here right now. You are so mean to me. That's it. I am going to Sunliner Diner instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Cracker Barrel. How may I help you? I would like to have the country fried ham, mashed potatoes, green beans, and a large Dr. Pepper. I'm sorry, but the country fried ham is currently sold out at the moment. No, it's not. I can see some country fried hams being made in the kitchen. They're making the other meats. Get out of here right now or I'm gonna call security on you. That's it. I'm going to Outback Steakhouse instead. I hope that I don't see you again. Welcome to Cracker Barrel. How may I help you? I would like to have the catfish meal with mac and cheese and a large Sprite. I'm sorry, but we're all out of catfish. No, you're not. I can see some catfish being made in the kitchen. Does it look like I care? No. Now get out of here before I get the police on you. Twilight sparkled the tank engine. I just got back from my break and I have received 3 complaints that you were being rude to customers by refusing to let them eat food here at Cracker Barrel. That's it. You're fired and you are banned from this Cracker Barrel restaurant for 4 months. Now, please exit the door and leave this restaurant. Do not come back until your 4-month ban is up. Okay everyone, I'll see you all next Friday at my next job. Bye!